Okay, you guys, we are staying at the DoubleTree here in San Pedro. We have a room that actually is facing the marina. We're in room number 305. So we're going to go ahead and go in. I broke the seal already, but they have a seal there. And as I'm coming in, this is the entrance way here. This is the bathroom. So, what's up there? Nice bathroom here. Just want to give you guys a general idea in case you ever want to come down here. Got a hair dryer over there in the corner. Looks like they've given plenty of towels as well. So that's a good thing. You know, a lot of times you just don't get enough towels. So, and adjoining rooms, if you come in, you could have, hey, look at there. Oh, a beautiful Filipina.
I'm the maiden.
Oh no,
I'm the main horse.
she does not come with the room, you guys. Just get it out of your head. Alrighty, so nice TV here. And a lot of space here. Closet. They have a safe as well. There it is. It's a safe. Ironing board and iron. There it is. Pretty nice size closet there. There we go. Oh, looks like we got some coffee and stuff. So, the coffee maker. Coffee. We got a king size bed here. And this is the roof, the view, which is the marina here. It's pretty cool here today. It's, you know, we're close to the water. Oh, we got a little ocean view over there. If you can see it, it's right over there. Right over there, the ocean view. So, okay, we just wanted to show you guys the room, and we're gonna go get something to eat. So we will get back with you a little bit later. But this is at the DoubleTree in San Pedro.
By Hilton.
By Hilton. Thank you. Bye.